Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cat Diaries. This is Kushnaz Turner. Very excited to be here. On this channel we talk about all things fashion, skincare, beauty, luxury, lifestyle and more. So today we're going to talk about my skincare, hair care and body care remedies that I've tried, tested, bought multiple times and will continue buying them in the future. So starting with our first product, which is a hair oil product. Now I'm somebody who's been using and oiling my hair since I was a baby. This is something that was instilled in me by my mother. Over the years I've realized that you don't need to oil your hair, but you definitely need to do a chumpy to your scalp because that is where 90% the health of your hair depends on your scalp. So I strongly believe in this chumpy oil. This one is by Indie Wild. I love it. It was all the rage and I tried it because it came highly recommended and I can see the reason why it was highly recommended. It's a fab product. It's not so greasy. It's got notes of champa, jasmine, lavender, which gives it a very spa-like feeling. But I love using it straight with a dropper onto the scalp and massage my scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then do a hair wash. See a significant difference over a period of time. So this is a product I would definitely buy again and again. So Champi is a very Ayurvedic term and it's something that has always been part of our Indian culture. It's something that our mothers passed down to our daughters. It's something that I grew up on. Now another thing about oiling your hair, and I've realized that every time I feel like I'm get too much hair loss, I quickly jump back into doing a champi. It's something that I also do before every hair wash. I also feel like you need to heat the oil for 10 seconds quickly into the microwave and then it kind of definitely makes a difference. Also champi helps to keep you feeling calm, it hydrates your scalp and it's got so many other properties which are so good for your hair and your scalp. I also believe that you don't need to keep your oil in your scalp for more than 20 minutes. So I never leave oil in my scalp for more than 20 minutes and I instantly rinse. The reason behind this is that oil basically attracts dirt. So if you keep it on for longer, you're basically attracting dirt and grime onto your scalp and you don't want your scalp to ever feel clogged and you always want it to be clean. So I would also advise you to not leave the oil on your scalp for more than 20 minutes. So the next product is by a brand that I was introduced to when I started this journey, which was 8 years back. It's Clinique. I love the brand. One of the first products that I tried from this brand was the Moisture Surge. I've been using it for the last 8 years. It's a product that works beautifully for all skin types. It's a product that works on every age group. It's a product that has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. It's also the product 8 years back when people were not talking about hyaluronic acid, but it's something that deeply hydrates your skin, nourishes, moisturizes it. It's also a product that works beautifully underneath your makeup. Both my kids use this Moisture Surge. It's extremely hydrating. There's a pro tip. Because I've been working with this brand for several years, we've been taught so many little hacks with this product. You can literally use it as a mask. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse. A thick layer over your skin, leave it on for 10 minutes. It instantly brightens, soothes the skin, calms it down. Definitely use that. There are so many other ways that you could use this Moisture Surge. So when I travel, because I've got really dry skin, I feel like my skin feels very tight, very dehydrated. This product instantly calms and soothes the skin down. It's a great brand and even better product. It gives you 100 hours of moisturization, which is fab. It also locks in the moisture, keeps your skin hydrated for super long. I would definitely recommend this product. There are multiple ways you can use the Moisture Surge. It's such a multi-purpose product. I use it also on my cuticles when they're feeling extremely dry. I use it on my elbows and my knees when they're feeling crusty and extremely dry. It can be used even as a highlighter. So when you finish your makeup, you can literally go into the small product on your high points and it will give you like that very glowy, dewy finish to your makeup. If you're somebody who fights frizz like I do, another tip is that you take a small amount of Moisture Surge, rub it together in your palms and gently go over the top section of your hair. It will definitely tame the frizz down. So the next product is Take the Day Off by Clinique. Now this one is the charcoal version, but they also have a regular version. The charcoal version is more for people with oily skin and the regular can be used by everyone. Even though I have dry skin, I love using the charcoal version. This product again, I've been now using for a couple of years. Initially, when I was introduced to it, I never used to like it because I used to feel that it would clog my contact lenses and make everything look very foggy. But now I remove my lenses before I do this routine. Double cleansing is something I've been doing for the last 1 year. Strongly suggest. What is double cleansing? At night, you need to use 2 cleansers to take all the dirt, grime, your sunscreen off, because this plays a very important role. So one of the things that have helped me tackle my blackheads, whitehead is definitely double cleansing. It's something that I cannot stress more upon. Backstory. I'm somebody who's never slept a single night with makeup on or not cleanse my face. I'm somebody who strongly believes that you never go to bed with your makeup on. You will thank me later as you get older. This is something that is absolutely non-negotiable. But what I have added is a double cleanse routine, again, which is something which is non-negotiable. Things like sunscreen don't come out with micellar water. I love my micellar water, but sunscreen doesn't come off just with micellar water. You need to use an oil product so that it deeply cleanses, removes all the dirt and grime, which is what Take the Day Off does. Now it's a balm. You need to take the balm on your hands, on a dry face, apply it to your skin, massage for 1 minute. This is something I've learned on Instagram and on Reels. It's a very Korean thing to do. You need to massage this for exactly 1 minute, leave a timer on, and then you'll get the hang of this. And then gently with a white cotton or even a makeup wipe, remove the product. Then I go in with my micellar water, then sometimes with a face wash, and that is really my routine. Another thing that I do with my makeup is I'm somebody who feels like my mascara runs all the time, so I never use anything which is not a waterproof mascara. Now, waterproof mascara, as much as it stays on and it doesn't leak or it doesn't transfer, it's also one of the hardest things to remove. This Take the Day Off is the only balm. If you massage it in and literally leave it on for that 1 minute, it will take off the hardest, the most stubborn makeup that would not come out with a micellar water. So this is another place where I would say definitely use this product. This is a product that doesn't leave my skin feeling dry after using, or it doesn't strip it of its moisture. It actually is suitable for all skin types, and even for somebody who's got dry skin like me, it works beautifully on. Okay, so the next brand is Ordinary. Now this is a brand which is backed by science. It's a brand that I was introduced to in the lockdown. It's a brand that was not available in India until fairly recently, and it's about active ingredients. It's the only brand which does affordable active ingredients, which are very, very potent. I used to buy them when I was abroad. I started off with the AHA BHA, which is one of the iconic products of this brand. It basically is like a chemical exfoliant. That's how I got introduced to this brand. And over a period of time, I started using a lot of the products. Hyaluronic acid is definitely one of them that I've used from this brand. Niacinamide is something that I started using since a year. The reason why niacinamide is also an active ingredient, I got introduced to it by my dermat. I haven't looked back, and I've used several of these bottles. Niacinamide is an active that can be mixed with a lot of your other active ingredients. It helps in brightening your skin, evening out skin texture, tightening your skin. It's a very, very safe active that basically calms the skin, soothes it, evens out the skin tone. So niacinamide is firstly a derivative of vitamin B3. It's an antioxidant, and it's something that can help with pigmentation, dark spots, reducing all of that. It also works beautifully with other actives like vitamin C, which I use in the daytime. I also use it at night with salicylic acid or with retinol. It also works beautifully with your AHA BHA products. So it's a product that can be paired with every other ingredient, and it just enhances the other actives and makes them more potent. Another active that you can use niacinamide with is hyaluronic acid, and everybody knows that hyaluronic acid is so important for your skin because that is what keeps the moisture and retains the moisture, because as you age, your skin loses moisture, and the best way to retain it is through hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide works beautifully in locking that moisture in, keeping things hydrated and your skin hydrated. So last week, Ordinary finally launched officially in our country. Very, very excited because there are so many products on this brand that I've been using. and I absolutely love. The next product, the hair product that I'm going to talk about, is also from this brand. I love the hyaluronic acid. I love the AHA potent chemical exfoliant. Lots and lots of products of this brand that I love and swear by. Ordinary is also a brand that targets, according to me, all skin types, all age groups, because I'm an older person. But I also feel like for somebody who's got acne-prone skin like my son, I definitely recommend Ordinary products to him because I feel like it targets that teenage acne beautifully. It's also a skincare brand which is very affordable. So even when it was not in India, it was an extremely affordable brand, but they've retained the price point beautifully in our country as well. So if you're somebody who's just starting the skincare journey, this is a brand you should definitely look at. So something that I truly think has helped my hair growth journey, especially in my 40s, where you tend to lose hair volume, because as you age, with your skin, your hair also uses a lot of volume, and that means that you get thinning, which is a big issue for most women. Now, something that I have seen and has helped me is including hair serums into my hair care routine, and I've definitely seen a significant hair growth. I also see a lot of baby hair, so this definitely is working, but I don't think any of this works individually. It's a combination of a lot of things that help me with my hair volume. One of them has to be this multi-density hair serum from Ordinary. It's fab. I use it every night. It definitely stimulates and keeps the scalp feeling healthy. It's lightweight. You use it only at night, never in the day. You don't need to rinse it off the next morning. So it's got a lot of plant extracts. It's also got Redensol and other actives that definitely promote hair growth. And I feel like that is what leads to healthier, fuller looking hair. So the right way to use this product is use the dropper, section your hair into multiple sections, and then drop the dropper and the product into your hair. Massage it in, and obviously sleep with it overnight. You never need to rinse this. You can leave it on until your next hair wash. I use this every single night. You can use it anything from 4 to 7 times a week. It's a product that works beautifully. It also doesn't make my hair feel greasy at all. I also feel like a hair density serum also improves the scalp health. And one of the biggest hair problems stem from your scalp. So if your scalp is healthy, your hair will be healthy. Minimalistic is another brand that does clean beauty. And this is a product I've been using from this brand. It's the Hair Growth Actives. It's got 18% potency. It's something that is rich with extracts similar to the hair density of Ordinary. I use both these products together. Definitely is something that I use daily with the Ordinary serum. It works on the similar principles when it comes to hair growth. More is more. I don't really think it's something that cannot be combined with another serum. I feel like hair care products can also be built just like a skincare products. At least it has been working beautifully for my scalp. It can be used by both women and men. Visibly, you see an increase in hair growth and reduction of hair fall within 4 to 6 weeks. Gone through several bottles of this product as well. So definitely something you can look at if you're facing hair fall or if you're seeing a reduction in hair growth. So I'm somebody who's been coloring my hair since my 20s, and I always have highly over-treated hair, but also hair that is subjected to a lot of heat. My daughter's forever laughing at me as to the amount of times I wash and blow dry my hair in a week, which is ridiculous. And then I cannot complain about hair problems because I treat my hair so badly. But both of these products work beautifully for somebody who has highly over-treated, chemically treated hair, and also somebody who gives so much heat to their hair. I think some of the things that keep my hair looking the way it does is all the TLC that I give it and all the fabulous products that I use on my hair. So this was my skincare and my hair care products, but something that I'm equally passionate about would have to be body care. It's something that I love indulging in. It also makes me feel very, very luxurious. So these are 3 products that I swear by. I also feel that hydrating your skin from outside is fab, but there are lots of things that I do also internally. Obviously drinking anything between 2.5 to 3 liters of water a day. I definitely take a lot of multivitamins for my skin and my hair, because your food is fab, and I'm somebody who is so good with the food, but I still feel that you do not get all the nutrition that you require just by your food. It needs to be supplemented. So obviously all of that together, it's a very holistic approach to your life. Nothing can be used singularly and nothing works singularly, at least for me. And especially as you age, you need to take more and more care of yourself. So one of my first products in my body care empties would have to be Sol de Janeiro. It's a Brazilian brand. It's a brand that I got introduced to because I used to call for this from abroad. It very recently is now available on Nykaa. It's a brand that I've done several campaigns for because the brand noticed that I was talking about this product even before it was launched in India. It's something I read in a magazine and was all the rage. This was right before the lockdown. This cream is pronounced as Bum Bum. It's a Brazilian way of saying Bum Bum. And it's a cream that got famous because it uses the lymphatic drainage method. It basically evens out skin tone, makes your skin super smooth. You look fab in a bikini. One of the reasons I love this brand is it keeps your skin feeling extremely hydrated, nourished. For somebody who's a dry skin girly, this works like a dream. Also, it smells divine. It's literally like a fragrance in a bottle, and it makes you feel very, very like you're out in the sun, very fresh, very, very fruity. Love the notes in this cream. It's also a cream I've been using, like I said, for several years. You can use it on your arms, your thighs, your tummy, everywhere else that you'd like to use it. You work it into your body in circular motion. It helps with better absorption. Circular motions also kind of activate your lymphatic drainage. So if you have cellulite, it is said to work with cellulite. I do not believe this. Being absolutely honest with you guys, I'm not sure whether it will help you with your cellulite. Cellulite is something that, according to me, only works because cellulite is either hereditary or it's your poor eating habits. So cellulite is firstly very difficult to get rid of, and the way to get rid of cellulite is again not singular. You need to be actively working out those muscles, doing lots of massages. Cellulite also, there are some specific oils that work on your cellulite. So just one cream, I'm not sure and convinced that can help you with cellulite. But having said that, I love this product. It also comes in a fragrance. It comes in a shower gel. It also comes in an oil. And for somebody like me, I love the oil. I love using oils on my body. I find them extremely hydrating, very, very luxurious. Also, oil, if you leave onto your skin and then spray a perfume on it, it will make your perfume last longer. Same goes also with your body creams. Apply a body cream and on your pulse points, apply your fragrance. It will nicely kind of merge together and make you smell very, very you. So speaking of oils, coming to my next product, which is a bath oil. Now, I'm somebody who grew up seeing my mother lathered in oil and looking like a little chipku thing, which is what my kids now call me. This is what I grew up, because as you age, the more you hydrate, more youthful you look, because it's all about retaining the moisture. Like I said, this also applies to your body. She would open up Evian capsules at that time and apply them lavishly all over her body before she went to bed. So she would always look like an oil spill every night. And at that point, even I used to make fun of her. And today my kids make fun of me. But this is something that I've used through my pregnancies. Just lathered myself with so much oil, which is maybe one of the reasons why I've never got a single stretch mark. I feel like my skin is always super hydrated. This product from Forest Essential is something that I've been using now for the last several years since I had my babies. It's a product that firstly is based off Ayurveda. It's a product that feels like a spa in a bottle. It's a brand that has been doing essential oils and even fragrance aromas for Taj and Oberoi. If you go into the store, they will tell you if you want a Taj fragrance, this is the two things that they combine to make the room smell like Taj. Or if you want something that smells like the Oberoi, then they have this essential oil which is specifically made for all the Oberoi brands around the country. It's also a brand that I believe the science behind these oils. They're all naturally derived, distilled. It's a brand that I've been working with and loving the products for many, many years. And like I said, everything feels like a warm kiss of a spa. I strongly believe that a bath oil or a shower oil is essential in your skincare routine, body care routine, because it locks in the moisture and keeps you smelling and feeling luxurious through the day. So the next product is a moisturizer, body moisturizer from this brand Aveeno. It's a brand that I've worked with over the years. Started using it because they sent me this one bottle to try before I spoke about it. I fell in love with it ever since. It's a moisturizer that is always part of my skincare routine, especially in the winter months. This one specifically is formulated for dry skin. It's made out of oats. Oats basically is used for people with extremely dry, sensitive skin. It works beautifully. It's very rich, very creamy. It's not so greasy, and it definitely leaves my skin feeling hydrated, because people with dry skin, when you scratch it, it will leave that white mark. That is your way of finding out if your skin is dehydrated. But if I moisturize my skin, it will never leave that mark. But if you don't, you will find your body skin also feeling itchy or getting scratched easily. All of these are signs of dehydrated skin. Now this brand is fabulous. There are multiple variants. It also comes in a body care, body wash range. I've used all the variants, love it, keep going back to it. Have bought it over the years repeatedly. Anybody who has highly dry skin definitely would recommend this product. So it's a product that is cruelty-free, fragrance-free. It's also tested by dermats. I highly would recommend this product. It's also non-greasy. You can use it multiple times in the day. I use it both in the day and in the night, usually after a wash. But if you need to use it even in between your washes, it would work beautifully then as well. So these were my most loved empties and 9 products that I cannot get enough of. 9 products that I've been using over the years, working with their brands and loving the brands. Definitely going to be repurchasing them until I find a product that can displace these. If you've liked this video, do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified of all the videos that I upload. Also don't forget to check out the links in my bio. I'm uploading all of these products and the links so that they're easily accessible for you. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. I love answering your questions and I can't wait to see you in the next video.